So, something I didn't really learn until like further on into my camera adventures, my camera obsession. Um, I was never really I what is the difference between a kit lens and a prime lens? And I guess I can explain it right here. So beforehand, I did a video on whenever I was picking my new lens. That's gonna be like up here, right there. I think that's where it's at. And I guess a question arose from it. It's like, what's the difference between a kit lens and a prime lens? And I guess this is just going to be a short video kind of explaining what that is, like what that means. So, as stated before in another video, a kit lens is the lens that you get with your body whenever you actually pay for like the full shenanigans. Like, you can buy the body of the camera itself, or you can buy the camera with a kit lens. And the kit lens usually is a little bit cheaper, not as good glass, and the build quality is to be desired. It's something that you can use to get started and then upgrade later. And a prime lens, sometimes it's not the best quality as well, but a prime lens essentially is a fixed zoom. A lot of the times with these fixed zoom lenses have a better build quality, they use some better glass. It also depends on the price point. You can get a really cheap prime lens, but a lot of the time it's gonna have a little bit better glass than something that's super mass produced like the kit lenses. I'm not saying that these aren't mass produced, but these are made for a specific reason at a specific focal length with a specific with a specific look kind of expected. So like something like this, the Sigma 16mm does more of a higher quality prime lens. You're getting one focal length, you're getting a low f-stop, you're getting a low f-stop, and you're getting a better build and better glass. So you grab something like my little guy up there, the kit lens that came with the Sony ZV-E10, that is a 16 to 24mm zoom. The f-stop on that is f3.5, so you're not going to get like the bokeh look like you're getting right now. It's not going to be blurred in the background and everything like that because it doesn't have a lower f-stop. And the reason that they're able to package these with cameras on the cheap is because they're made for the camera specifically. Like, you're not going to really find, I mean, you probably could, but no one's going to really buy this kit lens by itself. They're going to buy it with the camera because it's going to be cheaper. You're going to get a little bit of a discount because it comes with the camera. Now, mind you, there are different cameras that come with better lenses. Like if you get something like, back in the day, it was like a Canon 5D Mark II or Mark III or whatever. I think it's like Mark IV or Mark V right now. I have no clue. But those usually end up coming with better lenses that come with L lenses. An L lens is the Canon high-end lenses, which I have one of those. I need to buy a speed booster for this thing because I would love to use that lens with this guy. It would be really crisp and really beautiful. But that one is kind of like, that's a zoom lens, but also with a better build quality. But the difference between this guy and that guy is because it's a zoom lens, you're basically getting the build quality, you're getting the glass, and it's $700 to $800, I think, for the 24 to 105 L lens. Sometimes it can go a little bit over, sometimes it can be a little bit under. It kind of just depends on the market. But the Sony Sigma, it's not even a Sony Sigma, but the Sigma 16mm, since it's just a fixed focal length, they can drop it down, and it was like $370. That's a big difference just for the zooming, just for the zooms, the zoomies. But I guess when it comes down to it, a lot of these lenses like don't really, the main differentiator between price is going to be usually the build quality and the glass quality, while these kit lenses are always going to be a little bit cheaper, and it's something to get you started. It's something to tie you over until you're able to get a better lens. And let's be 100% honest, most of the time people end up getting those really quick, especially me, because again, I have a problem, and that problem is I love too hard. I love too hard. But yeah, anyways, rant kind of over. It's not even a rant. I like making these videos because it's just me thinking off the top of my head and all that jazz. But anyways, if you guys liked it, do the whole like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what kind of camera you have in the comments below. And also let me know, like, what is your dream lens? Like, what is your dream setup? Because getting into this, I know for a fact I'm going to end up buying another camera. And I don't know what it is going to be yet, because hopefully it's a few years away and I'm able to milk as much content out of this guy as I can. But anyways, I love you guys. I hope you guys had a good one. Please just have a good day. Have a good night, have a good week, have a good month, have a good year, have a good lifetime. I don't know. Just be good to yourselves, you know? But yeah, I love you. Bye.